So to get to Hermana Menor, you come down to Manangan Beach, do this right away here, and then it lands you on a public spot here. Over there, I think, is Hermana Menor. We're gonna take a boat ride to Hermana Menor, way around the corner. That's where I'm guessing. Still waiting for the boat. Alright, I'm ready to board. Had to get my drone, get some shots. Yeah, this has got to be the prettiest place I've been in the Philippines. This is absolutely crystal clear.
Broke to Monday, something's not the same. Black hair, crossed eyes, sweep the floor. Feel your presence, in your absence, shut the door. Oh, 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 oh. House on fire, leave it all behind you. Oh, 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 oh. Dark as night, let the lightning guide you.
My wife and I are declaring Hermana Menor the unofficial Boracay of Zambales. Pictures, drone videos, GoPros, they will not do this place justice. the greens, the blues. They just go forever out there. It's nothing like being out here in person. And you're gonna get those beaches where you're gonna see a photo or a video and it's gonna look so amazing, and you get out there, it's not quite as good. This is not one of those cases, folks. If you've been on the sidelines, checking this place out, and it's on your radar, move it up the list. Like I said, this camera does not do this place justice. I tried to get some good drone shots of it, but the sun has to be at the right position. And it looks like a better position now, but I already wasted all my battery. Absolutely breathtaking. This is a picture that's on your calendar. I don't wish a bunch of foreigners to flood this part of Zambales, but it has to be shown that this place is just so underrated. Zambales is so underrated. And I've been to many places, but this is definitely the top in Zambales.
All of a sudden, I realized something. The weather is amazing, even the birds are bumping. Stood up and took a look and a breath, and there's that bike that I forgot that I possessed. Never really seen exercise as friendly, but I think something's telling me to ride that 10-speed. The brakes are broken, that's alright. The tires got air and the chain seems tight. Hopped on, it felt the summertime. It reminds me of one of them Moosab lines, like sunshine, sunshine is fine. I feel it in my skin, warming up my mind. Sometimes you gotta give in to win. I love the days when it shines. Whoa, let it shine. Sunshine, sunshine is fine. I feel it in my skin, warming up my mind. Sometimes you gotta give in to win. I love the days when it shines. Whoa, let it shine. Whoa, let it shine. Whoa, let it shine. Whoa, let it shine. Whoa, let it. If I could, I would keep this feeling in a plastic jar. Bust it out whenever someone's acting hard. Settle down, barbecue in the backyard. The kids get treats and old folks get classic cars. Every day that gets to pass is a success, and every woman looks better in a sundress. The sun shines an excuse to shoot hoops, get juice, show and prove them moves and let loose. I hear voices, I see smiles to match them. Good times, and you can feel it in the fashion. Even though the heat cooks up the action, the streets still got butterflies, enough kids to catch them. Riding my bike around these lakes, man, feeling like I finally figured out my escape plan. Take it all in, the day started off all wrong, but somehow now that hangover is all gone. Ain't nothing like the sound of the leaves when the breeze penetrates these southside trees. Leaning up against one, watching the vibe, forgetting all about the stress, thanking God I'm alive. It's so simple, I had to keep the song simple. And when I get home, I'm gonna open all the windows, feeling alright. Stopped at a stop sign, a car pulled up, bumping Fresh Prince's Summertime. Summer, summer, sign. I feel it in my skin, warming up my mind. Sometimes you gotta give in to win. I love the days when it shines. Whoa, let it shine. Sunshine, sunshine is fine. I feel it in my skin, warming up my mind. Sometimes you gotta give in to win. I love the days when it shines. Whoa, let it shine. Whoa, let it shine. Whoa, let it shine. Whoa, let it shine.